Hi guys, welcome back to Pure Lottie. So I am looking very bad-faced at the moment. We are doing a makeup challenge today. So if you want to see what we're doing, then make sure you keep watching. If you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit the subscribe button and change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So the challenge today, I have been nominated by Genny Escobar. I'm sorry if I've pronounced your name incorrect, hun. But I will add her name on the screen as well. So we are actually doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So basically you start off with a bare face and you do as much makeup as you can in 5 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes and do my makeup. I do have a few people that are nominated as well, so I'm going to add them down below as well with all their channels so they can join in. So yeah, I don't have anything on my face at the moment. I have done my skincare this morning, but that is it. So I have been thinking about this and I have actually seen a few people already try this challenge. So this challenge, I have actually tried to do a similar one before and I don't think it turned out pretty good, so I'm excited to try it again. I have been watching a few people and I think I'm going to do a different strategy to what most people do. Most people try and do like a crazy eye look and then they're left with a bare face. So I think I'm going to do what I would really do if I have 5 minutes to do my makeup. So I think I'm going to focus on my base makeup, and then if I have time to add eyeshadow I will. If not, mascara and go. Because that is what I would do in real life and I want to make this super realistic for you guys. So I've just got my phone here and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. It's super bright. There you go. So I've got 5 minutes, so I am going to press start and go. Okay, my timer is going off. Alright, that is all I got done. The blush is not blended in super nice. Neither is the bronzer. Let me turn this down a bit so you can actually see like the true colour. So this is what my face looks like after 5 minutes. I will say that I have done this plenty of times when I have been in a rush where I've just got 5 minutes to quickly get something on. I tend to use my Perfect Cover BB Cream by Misha Beauty, and I just pop that on with my hands. I put on some concealer today because I have really dark circles today. And then I did set my face, which took up a lot of my time, but that is something that I always do because of my hot flushes. So I would prefer to look like this than be a big sweaty mess. So yeah, then all I did was I bronzed a bit, put a bit of blush on. I did do some bronzer on my eyes. It looks super messy. Let me zoom you in. Super messy, but I mean, we have 5 minutes to do makeup, so that's okay. I did pop on some brow gel in taupe from e.l.f. as well, just so that it wasn't super pale because I put my foundation everywhere. My blush I used was the Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus. My bronzer was the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. What else did I use? I didn't get time to do lips. It's just given me a little bit of coverage, not loads. It's not full coverage. This is like a BB cream, so it is more light to medium coverage. It's not super light like a normal BB cream, but I tend to use this because it just gives me a little bit more coverage because I get really red face, and that's kind of embarrassing from my hot flushes. So yeah, and then for mascara I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I just grabbed that because that was sitting in front of me. But yeah, this is all I got done. So no fancy eyes, I'm sorry, but I wanted to make it realistic for what I would actually do if I am in a super duper rush and I'm leaving in like 5 minutes time. And this is exactly what I would do. I would try and deal with my base and pop a little bit of mascara on, a little bit of lip balm or something, and then that's it, I'm out the door. So yeah, I'm not too mad at it. Obviously it's not perfect because it's 5 minutes, so you can fully see that it's like a little bit patchy, like my blush isn't blended properly, my bronzer's a bit uneven on my forehead. So yeah, but turn the light up and that fixes it all. I didn't even get mascara on my bottom lashes. I was just trying to do this to get them on there because I just had no time left. So yeah, I think that was a super fun challenge. I'm going to leave down in the description below who I am nominating next. I've got a bunch of people to nominate, so yeah, make sure you check down below if you're one of the ones that I've nominated. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you film a video like this, let me know so I can check it out. I want to see what everyone else is able to do with their 5 minutes compared to mine. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!